So we're gonna unbox the Loctote Flak Sack Sport. This one I got at their US online store, which I had express shipped to the UAE in Dubai, and I got it actually with a discount because they have this promotion for the Labor Day. So they give $20 off, in which the shipment also cost $20. So I basically somewhat had my shipment free. So let's start off with the unboxing. So we're gonna cut the tape at the ends, and now we're going to open the pack. So inside the box you have the user's manual and also the sticker. So the sticker says live more, worry less, and also the instruction manual just tell things about how the padlock works, and also how you use the lock strap, and also the locker loop instructions, so how you lock it onto things. So, and also some washing instructions as well. So going on with the pack, it's packed with plastic, and then inside you have the bag cover, and then that also has this Loctote logo right here, and the inside is this one. So opening it up, I bought a dark gray Flak Sack Sport. So why Flak Sack Sport, and also why gray? So basically I needed a day pack to go with my carry-on travel bag, and I don't really like having a backpack. Usually at work I always use a sling bag, and this one I think is just perfect because it's really a casual looking bag, not really a sporty looking like a backpack. That's what I think. And why dark gray? Because they don't have a black option for those sports, and also because almost the things that I own, mostly they're black, so I just wanted to have a different color, so I bought a gray one. Yeah, so something a little different. So going on with the exterior of the bag, it's just simple. It's a very small bag, but it's a little bit heavy from what I can feel. But the website says that the bag is around 1.2 pounds, so maybe a half a kilo bag. So it's a little bit heavy for your day pack, but we'll see once I try to use this if this one feels really heavy on my back or whatever. So first off, with the front of the bag, how it looks, it has this tag right here that has the Loctote logo, and I think on the inside it says something about, it says something about the founder and also their advocacy. And yeah, so on the front it has their iconic Loctote branding here, that has this case for their padlock. So here is the brass padlock, and also this one, the pocket right here for the padlock, really looks like an age logo. They wanted it to have like an antique feel, something like that. But the finish is rubbery and somewhat nylon or plasticky, so it's like that. And this one is just a normal looking padlock with their Loctote logo. Okay, so moving on with the back side, you have a very thick, it's like an adventure strap. I don't know what this one's called. It's like somewhat you use for hiking, rappelling, or whatever. So this very high durable strap right here that also has a reflective design, if you can see there, and it also has a sternum strap. So what this one is for, it's for the locker loop somewhere, somewhat. This one you can use this for hanging the bag. For example, you're in the restroom and you want to hang the bag, this one can use to hang the bag, so that you wouldn't have the trouble of using this and then it would go unbalanced. So that's the back one. It also has this rubber support, same like the one that you see here, same material for this, so that the fabric wouldn't easily thread out. Going on to the inside of the bag, nothing much, but I will try to turn it inside out so that you can see what's inside. So first thing you'll notice is that it has this notch right here for your strap, so that you can adjust it however you want, and use a tab for the bag number, and also it says design with pride in the US and made with honor in China. Wow, okay, whatever. This one, this side right here, is the back side of the front part of the exterior of the bag. So we have an easy access pockets. We have two. So right here you can put your phone or your wallet or keys, something that you need to have constantly. So something that you can take in and out like that. And here at the back side, you have this girl right here that says instructions about the washing of the bag, and also we have this zipper right here, and it's like a waterproof part, the zipper right there that has this super duper soft interior. So there you go, to protect your gadgets, or if you have a tab, an iPad or whatever you want to put inside, or phone, there you can put it. And it also has this key strap right here, which you can put your keys into. And this one says that it's like it prevents digital pickpocketing. So if you put your stuff here, like your credit cards or whatever, when this bag gets scanned, it will protect it from digital theft. So you can have your things secure on this area right there. So that's the inside of the bag. So first impressions, yeah, this bag really looks very durable. But what I noticed is that it's brand new, but it already has this thread like going out like this. So that's the only flaw, I think. And yeah, I noticed that on this part, you know, the thread is also coming out. But since I live here in the UAE and I don't want to be troubled with the shipment or whatever, maybe I'll just see if it's not that big of a deal. If this one doesn't start anything, I mean this one, if it doesn't start anything big, I'll just try to keep it as it is. Whatever. Colossus, as what they say here. So now we're going to put in the stuff that we need maybe for a travel, because this one's I don't think I'll be bringing it at a normal day. Alright, so that's the Loctote Flak Sack Sport, and that was my first impression of the bag. I didn't test it for its durability, because that's not my main purpose of the bag. So this is just purely for travel. So yeah.